Mastering Construction Project Risk Management. Welcome to our tutorial on mastering construction project risk management. In the construction industry, managing risks effectively is crucial for ensuring project success and minimizing potential setbacks. Today, we'll explore strategies for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks in construction projects. Identify risks, assess risks, mitigate risks, develop contingency plans. Step 1. Identify risks. The first step in risk management is to identify potential risks that could impact the project. These risks may include factors such as inclement weather, material shortages, labor disputes, design changes, or regulatory changes. Conducting a thorough risk assessment helps ensure that all potential risks are identified and considered. For example, a risk assessment might identify the risk of delays due to adverse weather conditions, or the risk of cost overruns due to fluctuating material prices. Step 2. Assess risks. Once risks have been identified, they must be assessed to determine their likelihood and potential impact on the project. Use qualitative and quantitative methods to assess risks, such as probability impact matrices or risk registers. Assign risk ratings based on the likelihood and severity of each risk. Assessing risks allows construction managers to prioritize their focus and allocate resources effectively to address the most significant risks. Step 3. Mitigate risks. After assessing risks, develop and implement strategies to mitigate or reduce their likelihood and impact. This may involve proactive measures, such as implementing safety protocols, securing backup suppliers, or diversifying subcontractor contracts. By addressing risks early in the project lifecycle, construction managers can minimize the likelihood of negative outcomes and protect project timelines and budgets. Step 4. Develop contingency plans. Despite best efforts to mitigate risks, some uncertainties may still arise during construction projects. Develop contingency plans to prepare for these unforeseen events and minimize their impact on the project. Contingency plans may include allocating additional resources, adjusting schedules, or renegotiating contracts. Having contingency plans in place allows construction managers to respond quickly and effectively to unexpected challenges, keeping projects on track and within budget. Mastering construction project risk management. By following these steps and implementing effective risk management strategies, construction managers can minimize project uncertainties and maximize the likelihood of project success. Thank you for watching.